Oh my god!
So, just to put...
There we go.
I'm debating it. I have so many bottles on my desk. Jesus Christ.
Water, smart.
I did dribble it.
Oh my.
Excuse me. Oh my god, that was disgusting.
Oh my god! Excuse me.
Yeah, usually my burps are popping.
Hey, Sammy. I love mashed potatoes.
She wants it all? Oh my god. Told you.
Double.
I'm really sorry about this, guys, but oh my god. Felt good though.
You mean you did stuff, Alloy? Alloy? I'm scared. Please, what are you doing?
So I should buy her and
You should buy her in what?
I want to try and burp.
You wanna burp?
I can't.
We should all burp.
How do you make yourself burp? I feel like I'll vomit if I try and force something up.
Hold on.
Oh god, this is like extreme fails
Wait,
incoming.
wait, wait, shh. I need to concentrate.
You just vomit.